Welcome in, Jefferson Patriots. Today is Monday, September 21st, and you should notice if you are looking at your Power School page, you have a new unit. Unit 2 popped up today, cell division and the human body. So we are going to look at how our cells multiply and divide. And to start us off, we are going to look at when things go wrong. What happens when that goes wrong? You don't really need to know too in depth of really what mitosis is yet, but we're going to start with what happens when mitosis goes wrong. Mitosis gone wrong in terms is just cancer. And at the end of this unit, instead of having an actual paper pencil test, you are actually doing a project revolving around the idea of cancer and cancer prevention, since cancer is just mitosis gone wrong. So today you're going to take a look a little bit closer at what happens when mitosis goes wrong, and then we are going to spend the rest of our time going through what happens when mitosis goes right. And when it goes right, hopefully you see growth, like think of yourself as a baby growing into the adolescent you are now. You've grown. You might think of repair. If you've cut your finger lately, you'll notice your body is working to fix it, and that is mitosis in action as well. Or it's going to replace things. So like your skin, it flakes off all the time and you constantly get a new layer, and that is a replacement portion. It's continuing to grow. But for today, you are going to go right here, mitosis gone wrong. There's me and an apple. And we're going to look at what happens when that goes wrong. So click on the form. It is a Google form. So remember, there is nothing to hand in today. You just hit submit at the bottom. Your form, when it pops up, should look a little something like this. Again, this is the teacher version. It's a little easier for me to navigate than it is the student side. But you're going to fill in first name, your last name, what group you belong to, what period do you belong to, and then you're going to start the first section. And the first section is entitled Cancer. It's a video for you to watch. So you should be able to play the video and learn a little bit about cancer, and then just kind of what do you know? 5 types of cancer that you already are aware of, and 3 causes that three things that you know would cause cancer automatically. So think like sunshine. If you don't sunblock, you could get skin cancer from that. Then you're going to look at cell division just a little bit, and the cell division and the cell cycle. And then there's a couple questions there for you to answer as well. The 4th section is a big article. There is a link right here to Kids Health. It's a great resource, lots of information. So it's going to take a little bit of time to read. Not going to lie, take some time, read slowly. But when you are finished reading, or as you read, good pre-reading strategy, look at these questions beforehand so you know what you are going to be looking for. But you're going to answer these questions from the reading, and then you're going to take a look at this really cool new piece of technology called a nanobot and what it is doing in terms of us battling cancer. When you're done with the nanobots, here at the bottom should be a submit button, and that is all you have to do in order to turn in your work for today. I'm hoping this is a little bit of fun, a little bit of educational, and again, it starts us off on that journey of mitosis and our body systems. At the end, we're going to combine it all into a project instead of a paper test. So keep that in mind as you learn and work through. We'll see you at school.